As our company's independent research and development technology is becoming mature, we launched the Precise AI Alert products with 6 smart functions, provide you with more comprehensive services. Now, let's show you vehicle retrograde and setting course. When IP camera detects vehicle to retrograde in a pointed area, it will trigger alarm. Garage exit, please do not go backwards. Setting tutorial. Configuration. Alarm management. Intelligent events. Select the channel. Select vehicle retrograde. Click enable. Click the erase to clear existing detection area. Draw new detection area. Support detect for directions, switch detection line, select the suitable direction. Set sensitivity. Click setting of camera light alarm. Click enable, choose the suitable duration and time. Click confirm. Click setting of camera sound alarm. Click enable, select the number of play, audio and arming time. And confirm after setting. Click setting of arming time. Arming according to requirement. Click confirm. Click setting of linkage mode. Setting linkage configuration. Click confirm. Click save. Kindly prompt, enable vehicle retrograde, automatic shutdown, line crossing detection. Click confirm. Click exit after showing finish save. Back to preview.